this brand went from nearly bankrupt to a $5 billion empire. Here is its incredible story. In 2003, this beauty brand was on the verge of collapse. Sales were declining every year and competitors were crushing them. They were just a boring soap brand in the world dominated by a very big beauty giants. No growth in years. They have tried everything, but they were not seeing any results. No premium shelf space, no future in sight. They needed something radical. Then their data scientists sat down together, and then their research showed something that was very shocking. Only 2% of the women felt truly beautiful. The beauty industry was selling perfection, making billions in insecurity. This brand saw what no one else wanted to see. With this insight, they decided to throw out the beauty rulebook. No more supermodels. Instead, they chose to show the real women. When the campaign for Real Beauty launched, everyone thought they were crazy. Critics said that this will destroy the brand. No one wants reality in the ads. But against all the odds, they created a marketing campaign around it and put their ads all across the country. What happened? The mockery was everywhere, but then the ads exploded. The videos went viral. The campaign exploded. Women shared their stories. Videos went viral. The ads went viral everywhere. Stores couldn't keep this brand in stock. It wasn't just about soap. Women had found their voice. The numbers were mind-blowing. From $2.5 billion in 2023 to $5 billion globally. Their market expanded from 3 to 80 countries. Product lines grew from 6 to 96 products. They transformed from a soap brand to a beauty icon. But it was more than sales. Schools used their videos, celebrities went makeup free, other brands started copying. This brand hadn't just changed marketing, they changed the culture. One campaign in 2023 changed everything, not just for them, but for how we see the beauty. That marketing campaign didn't just save the brand, but gave women a voice that was worth billions. And that brand is Dove. If you have learned something from this video, then do follow me, and I will see you in the next one.